Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Hayle Santella and I upload videos all about living a happy and healthy lifestyle. In today's video, we're going to be chatting about picking out an Erin Condren planner, how to do it, what it's like, how to customize it so it fits your needs. I have step-by-step instructions for you, that way you know what to expect, what you can customize, that way you're prepared when it comes to purchasing your planner. If you're not familiar with Erin Condren, they are a paper planner brand that's all about getting you organized and helping you reach your goals, no matter if you're a student, a working professional, or a stay-at-home parent. Erin Condren is releasing these new planners to their insiders on Monday, May 3rd, and then to the general public on Tuesday, May 4th. So you guys are about to get a super sneak peek. If you'd like to sign up to become an insider to gain early access to the planners, you can go ahead and sign up through my link. I'll pop it up here on the screen for you guys. It's just haylesantella.com/Erin Condren. And when you sign up with my link, you will get a $10 coupon off your very first order, and then I receive a $10 coupon as well. If you are watching this video on May 3rd or later and are interested in purchasing an Erin Condren planner, I do have a link in my description box that will take you directly to it. I do want to note that it is an affiliate link, so I will make a small commission off of it, just making sure that I add a note of transparency there. Now, the special thing about Erin Condren planners is that they're completely customizable. I'm going to go ahead and pop a table up here on the screen for you guys so you can kind of look through it as I'm explaining it. There are a ton of options to pick from. To start off, you pick your cover, and this is one of the hardest choices that you have to make. There are so many options to choose from, but that's why it's so great that the covers are interchangeable. Yeah, so you can go ahead and swap out your cover whenever you want, and you can go ahead and pick multiple covers, but to start with, when you're first picking out your planner, you just want to pick one. Another thing to note about the covers is that they themselves are completely customizable. So depending on the cover that you choose, you can swap out the colors, put in your name or favorite quote, add some family photos if you'd like. The covers themselves are customizable, which just makes the entire planner 10 times better. Then, if you're customizing a planner that has a coil, you get to pick the Coil Color. So there are 4 options to pick from. There is platinum, gold, rose gold, and then black. Next, you get to go ahead and pick out your planner size. Now, this is a new option this year. They have 3 choices to choose from. The first one being the standard letter size. So this is an 8.5 by 11 inch planner. The next one is the classic Erin Condren size. So this is a 7 by 9 inch planner. And then lastly, they have now come out with an A5 size. So this is the 5 by 8 by 8.3 inches. Your next choice is to pick your interior layout, and this one's always a hard one for me. They have 4 different options. There's the classic vertical, horizontal, my favorite, which is hourly, and then also they have a daily layout as well. Each has their pluses and minuses, but the thing that I like about it is that you can pick a layout that works best for your planning preferences. Now, the last thing that you'll have to decide on is the interior theme, and they have an additional choice this year from last year. There are 4 options now. We have mid-century circles, flora, just my type neutral, and just my type colorful. Lastly, you'll get to pick the start date of your planner and the length of your planner. So you can choose to have your planner start in July of 2021 or January of 2022. And they have a 12-month and 18-month planner. The 18-month option is only available if you select that July 2021 option. And that's it. You've completely customized your planner. And that's what I love about Erin Condren. You can make and design a planner that's perfect for you and your needs. Now, if you're anything like me, you'll probably want some accessories to go along with that planner. So make sure to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss that video. It's going to be coming out within the next week. Alright, that's going to be it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to let me know down in the comments and give this video a big thumbs up. Also, if you feel like you know somebody that would enjoy this video or any of my other videos, make sure to share it with them so that they can find me. And other than that, I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!